Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to attach an I-cord edging to the maple shawl. A beautiful way to finish off your shawl with a clean and professional look. Let's get started. With the right side of the yarn of the shawl facing, use your working yarn to cast on 3 stitches using the cable cast on method. Keep the tension even. If you are knitting the I-cord too tight, it's gonna pull the edge. If you knit it too loose, it's not gonna look neat. Step 1, you are gonna knit 2 stitches. Knit 2 stitches. Step 2, you are going to knit the next 2 stitches together through the back loop. And the last step, step 3, without turning your work, slide all 3 stitches back to the left hand needle without twisting them. This resets your I-cord for the next row. You're going to repeat the process from step 1 to step 3. Step 1, you knit 2 stitches. Step 2, knit the next 2 stitches together through the back loop. Step 3, without turning your work, slide all 3 stitches back to the left hand needle. You're gonna keep going all the way along the edge, taking your time to make sure your tension stays even and your I-cord looks smooth. Let's watch it in this tutorial a few more times. If this is the first time that you work on an I-cord edge, it might be a little tricky at the beginning, but you are going to get the hang of it. Look how that edge is looking already. Take your time as you work steps from 1 to 3. The Maple Shawl is available now on my website, Etsy and Ravelry, and I'm going to leave on the description below the links to this pattern. On the description below, I am also leaving the details on the yarn that I am working on for this sample of the Maple Shawl. This is a process that takes some time, but the result is worth it. When you reach the end, bind off the 3 I-cord stitches as you normally would, and then you're gonna weave in your ends. Your shawl now has a beautifully finished I-cord edge that complements the texture and stripes of the maple shawl perfectly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tag me in your projects. I would love to see your version of the maple shawl. Thanks for watching and happy knitting!